Remove the stem of strawberry and slice them into 0.5 centimeters wide. We're gonna top them on a waffle. In Youn's day, people use strawberry on a waffle. I think because strawberry is in season right now and red color looks beautiful on a white rice cake waffle. You can substitute them with other kinds of fruit such as blueberries, kiwi, and cranberries. Then preheat the waffle machine for 4 minutes. In Youn's day, they used waffle pan, but if you use waffle machine like me, it'll be important to preheat them beforehand. Oil the surface on both sides using a brush. The oil on the surface prevents rice cake from stick on the surface. Then place the injeolmi, which is a rice cake covered with a bean powder. Don't put too much injeolmi because it could overflow. I add about 60 grams, 5 pieces of injeolmi inside, and it was perfect. Press them and cook this for 3 minutes. Open the lid from time to time and oil the top surface. It'll make them extra crispy. You can try this with other kinds of rice cake. While we are waiting for this rice cake waffle to be done, let me say something to you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and get more interesting recipe ideas. When time's up, take them out using tweezers. There's nothing to it after this process. Place a strawberry slice and sprinkle an ample amount of honey. Honey goes well with a rice cake than any other syrup. This is so crispy and chewy, and it'll be interesting to put other ingredients than waffle mix. Try this and leave a comment section below. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye!